The levels trend indicator is available for various platforms on the TradingFinder website. From this section, you can download the indicator file for MetaTrader 4 and MetaTrader 5 and apply it to the two chart. Also, serious traders can read this page to learn how the indicator works. We select the indicator file from the navigator section and run the indicator by dragging the file onto the R chart. Just make sure to enable the Allow DLL Imports option in the Comment tab and then click the OK button. Once the indicator is installed on the chart, it begins to identify and plot high importance levels and trends on the price chart, which it highlights for us in blue. This indicator also indicates the hover 50% level between the two blue lines with an orange line and the 50% level between the blue line and the orange line, which is displayed to us with a dotted line. Traders can use these trend levels as support or resistance levels, and when a breakout occurs, they can enter a buy, auto, or sell trade on the chart. Here, we can see that this level has broken downwards, and with a pullback, we could have entered a sell trade. Or in this section, with the breakout of this level upwards and a pullback, we can enter a buy trade. In the settings section, under the input tab, there are options available for us where you can choose the display settings. The indicator's dedicated theme or template settings have three modes: light, dark, and custom. By selecting the light option, a light template is created for the object diagram. By selecting the dark option, a dark template will be applied to the chart. And by choosing the custom option, it keeps your personalized template and applies the indicator to the chart. In the first section, the default template is set to light, which is the template currently applied to my chart. In the next section, you can select the settings and indicator. You can choose the type of display of the figures, which can be selected in three modes: figures, figures and halves, and all. By selecting the figures option, it only shows us the blue levels and the trend levels. By selecting the figures and halves option, it displays the blue trend levels and the 50% level between the two blue levels. And by choosing the all option, it shows all the levels. In the next section, you can enable or disable the display or non-display of labels. By disabling this option, price quotes will not be displayed for us. I will set the option to true. In the next section, you can select the size of the figure lines, which is set to 2 by default. You can select the type of figure line drawing, which can be solid, dash, dot, dash, dot, dot, dot. In the next section, you can select the size of the retention line drawing, type of retention line drawing. You can choose the size of the bold or dotted auto tweezers in this section, which is set to 1 by default. You can choose the type of drawing, which is based on dots. And in the next section, you can enable or disable the status of sending alerts, which is disabled by default. By enabling this option, if the price hits the blue trend level, the alert will be sent to you. If you disable this option and set it to false, the next two options will not work. By enabling this option in the next section, you can enable or disable the status of sending alerts as messages. You can enable or disable the status of sending alerts with a message. In the next section, you can choose the type of alert to be sent when the price hits the figure levels, when the price hits both the figure and support levels, or in all cases, when the price hits these levels. Finally, in the last section, you can select the sound file, and here I will choose the dark template. I set the drawing type to figures, and then click OK. Now we can see that an alert has been sent to me when the price hit my figure level. And my expectations changed with the expectations of history. And my level is divided into 3 levels: figures and memorization. Well, friends, we've reached the end of this indicator tutorial. I would be happy if you share your comments and suggestions with us in the comments section.